starved. It takes her so long to get up. She always be making the weirdest faces.
If you fall, it's not my fault.
Go down. But they're doing this in the freaking hotel lobby area where people eat.
Yeah. How?
No, it's not a real
How
spot.
down do I have to go?
Okay, go. That's embarrassing. Roll back the tapes. That's what I didn't after a while. He was crazy. Rice. This is rice. I need a side of rice. You know what I mean. We're done eating. I'm in a food coma. Oh. It's midnight where I'm from. Everyone's having their non-verbal screen time. Non-verbal screen time. I'm battling the jet lag. I'm so sleepy.
Oh my gosh, it goes so high up.
Merry Christmas!
Ma, you're gonna be cold.
The way she's just standing there. It's day 2 in Taiwan for me, and it's 12 p.m. and we haven't eaten yet. And everyone wants to kill each other. Here's Georgie.
George, you never brush your hair, do you?
He's having a moment. George became a gym rat on this trip, and he's aching to get back into the gym. Are you sore? Do you feel soreness? Here's the 2 oldest sisters. I know, crazy.
You're older than
Crazy,
me.
they're so old and they won't grow anymore past 5'2".
Here. He stole a coffee from the fridge and he thought there'd be no payment.
My dad is realizing that you have to pay for the hotel minibar. What? Is this your first rodeo? Okay, fit check. Go.
This is Uniqlo. This is from the box. This is from Mama. This is from Auntie. It's all me and me and me and me and.
I don't know if this is how you do a fit check. This is ineligible.
What are you talking about?
This is from Achi. This is from... They're not gonna know who that's Achi.
That's Mama.
Bruh. Okay, Gail, go on.
This is from Mama.
Can you say the brand?
This is Lululemon from Mama. Bruh. This is Ralph Lauren, Zara, Nike, Adidas, New Balance.
Well,
She's not loyal to her brand. Whatever.
George, are you gonna do your fit check?
This is from yesterday. This is from yesterday. And this is from yesterday.
Are the socks from yesterday?
Yeah, they are.
Ew.
Nasty.
So baho.
You interval your socks from the day before.
You'll learn
give
it.
it air out. You can wear socks.
I can do John's fit check. John's shoes are from me and Eduardo. John's pants are who knows where. I don't know where his shirt's from. And his jacket's from LA.
This is from Brooklyn.
Here's my boots. Tim's. Dress, thrifted.
Dirty shoes off the...
Cardigan, thrifted, but it's Ralph Lauren. Bag, Ian, where's his bag from?
BTG, bro.
Wait, This.
What xiaolong bao?
No, this.
White and yellow. White. We got Din Tai Fung. Is this the original Din Tai Fung?
This is the old Chinese Din Tai Fung.
What do you mean? Like Chinese people actually making the food and they can't agree on what to order.
And then there's the
Chicken.
pea shoots. No, don't chicken. No chicken.
Bro, what does he have against chicken?
Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
We're so hungry. We're excited to eat. George, what's your favorite thing at Din Tai Fung?
Xiaolong bao.
Which one?
Pork.
Pork. Have you tried the crab one? It's actually good, but the pork is the best. I'm excited to eat. Honestly, the Din Tai Fung in the US.
Transition.
I drink brandy.
No, I was still talking.
Transition.
Oh my god, Mama won't stop taking photos.
Bro, Papa's face is cut in half. You're the one who wanted the people.
No. Rice too. I thought it'd be a little bit bigger.
This is for the. There's not enough for everybody.
John, there's not enough.
It's not. What's the original QR code?
See, oh my. Oh my. What? Did I sound Chinese? It has soup also. A soup.
There's shumai. Is there a soup?
These are so cute. I might get one for my camera. They have different colors. It's 200. There's the national, what's it called? Kai-shek Memorial Hall. The grounds it's on is so huge and pretty. Get out of here.
Borrow.
No, no, no.
Bro, I'm 2%.
Sorry, Dumpy. Good morning. It's day 3 in Taiwan. We're getting breakfast. Don't know what this place is called because our driver is recommended this local spot. This is the place. Screenshot that if you will. It's so hot.
And to ground ourselves
You're here to cleanse your spirit.
again. He's here to cleanse his spirit. Look at all his junk.
But it was kung fu fighting.
John, weak. Put your back into it.
Oh, wait. This one.
What? It's much too high a car. Is my singing good?
Nah, I'm better.
Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3. Surround the ground. If the world was ending, I wanna.
Some way, somehow, all of the audio for these clips got lost, but that's okay, I'm gonna narrate it. So this next part of the vlog, we're at Shifen, which is a neighborhood known for these lanterns that you can send into the sky, kind of like tangled. You have a bunch of options to choose from, but each color of the lantern signifies something different, whether it's career or money or relationships and health. So my family and I took turns using a traditional paintbrush to kind of write all of our manifestations and wishes onto each side of the lantern. Yeah, Gail was going through something here. I don't know if this actually is working in terms of making these things come true, but it definitely was a fun activity and helped us feel very hopeful in the end. Also, my mom is not so subtly sending hints to my dad. Happy wife, happy life, she says, and she added the license plate. Okay. The locals were really nice in helping us do this. There's always a guide to help you set the lanterns on fire and send them off. Here's us saying goodbye. But truthfully, I don't think I would ever do this again. I kind of went into it not knowing the details of everything, and so I don't think the risk is worth the reward. I would definitely recommend you doing your own research if you want to do it, but yeah, I think this was a one-time thing. Tons of small restaurants, eateries, and shops line the alleyways of Jiufen, which is what inspired the setting of Spirited Away, a very famous anime movie. Don't get me wrong, I love nothing more than a good stroll around a cute neighborhood, and Jiufen was nothing short of stunning, but it was definitely crowded this day, and I think we should have planned a little bit better to come on a day or time even where we had more room to walk around and explore, because even walking around certain alleyways was really difficult and I was kind of really overwhelmed by the end of it. We did leave after a bit, but not without first trying their famous ice cream, served with peanuts and cilantro, which worked surprisingly well. And as a nightcap, we ended up at Rauha Night Market, a very famous one. And powered through we did because we were stuffed and tired.
Can you order one? Can you order one? They're watching the
These are my last straws.
She's been saying that all day. Sige na. Aray daw, aray daw.
A medium is
Guys, let's do Wheel of Names. Who's gonna go first?
What does this?
Guys, the guy is at an aquarium and then he's like looking like, oh look, a bug.
What is she laughing at, bro? Hey, 40 viewers.
What's he doing?
Ew.
What is he doing?
Yes, I do. I love my manita. Yes, I
there. So you will be stinking.
Why so many? Yeah, I got my condition.
Oh, nice.
This is like an oven, dude.
All of our 7-Eleven breakfast run. It's day, I don't know, in Taipei. We got a boba. I don't know how to pronounce it. Actually, very good. What would you rate this boba?
A 7.
What?
It's just milk and brown sugar.
Yeah, but I don't like milk that much. I would rate this like a 9. Taipei is probably nearly as packed as Tokyo. Like, there's so many people on the street at all times. Or there's so many people everywhere at all times. But I love it.
Just let me bite that.
Guys, I'm out. That was low-key the best haircut I've ever had. He gave me like a head massage that lasted 20 minutes. He spoke no English, but he was so nice and still did my hair so beautifully. Insane.
We go breakfast at 8.
Well, bye, George.
8 o'clock breakfast.
We're back at the hotel. We're on the hunt for a little drankity drink vibe. Let's go sing karaoke.
Best speak Chinese here.
Okay, and if I pull up with Bedchem by Sabrina Carpenter, what are they gonna do? We got our drinks. Taste yours, Eon. Is it good?
I'm scared.
Can I just get margarita?
I like it. I thought this is a
Bruh, I pulled it out and showed you.
I
Put the bug in there.
No, I know. But then, like, you know, you get a free cake. Ooh. Get my water. Even it's my mother's water upstairs.
Good morning. It's our last day in the city. We just had breakfast downstairs and it was really good. I had salty soy milk and eggs and a bunch of other stuff. But now I'm gonna make my coffee. They had coffee downstairs too, but I wanted to make it because I literally bought milk from 7-Eleven so I could make it here. Get our coffee. This is the coffee we're gonna be using. They also have teas. I might steal this tea. I bought a little bottle of milk. Here she is. I don't know. Maybe I'll give it to George for cereal. There we go.
Girl has been to like 5 vintage shops and still has bought nothing. We are going back to Samo Ando because she's copying me. She wants to get a Samo Ando bag also.
+8 yun.
+4.
No, when someone puts a +4, +2, you can put the wild card on top.
You can't do that.
Pick it up, yo. Do it. +4. Blah, blah, blah. George, why do you use your +4s in the middle of the game?
Because
Why don't you use them strategically?
red.